Yes, students, today we start the topic acid, base and salt, in which last time we are discussing about the definition of acid and base. Now I am talking about the types of acids. First of all, acids on the basis of origin are of two types, organic and inorganic acid. Organic and inorganic acid, and then on the basis of their ionization, they are of weak acid and the strong acid. First of all, I want to tell you what are weak acid. Weak acid do not ionize completely. Weak acid do not ionize completely. All organic acids that we get from the living thing, all organic acid are mostly weak acid. Their example is acetic acid, formic acid, boric acid, nitrous acid, and phosphoric acid. Then strong acids are the acid which ionize completely. HCl, hydrogen chloride, H2SO4, HNO3. These are the three main strong acids. And then hydrogen iodide also. Then we taken about the mineral acid and organic acid. Mineral acid are also called inorganic acid. Acid prepared from the minerals of the earth are called mineral acid. Acid prepared from the mineral of the earth. These are man-made acid. Common mineral acids are HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3. Concentrated mineral acids are very dangerous. They can burn hands and clothes. Organic acid present in plants and animals. Acid present in living acids. Acid present in living things are called organic acid. Organic acids are naturally occurring. They are man-made and they are organic are naturally occurring. Acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid, oxalic acid and formic acid. These are examples of the organic acids. Formic, now I am telling you about the source of the organic acid. Formic acid is present in bee sting होता है ना, जो उसके अंदर फॉर्मिक एसिड होता है. जब बी हमें काट जाता है, वो डंक मार जाते हैं, तो उसमें क्या होता है, हमारे खारिश हुई एसिड वगैरह हो जाते हैं. Ants and stinging insects. When an ant bite, it injects acidic liquid, that is formic acid. When an ant bites, it injects acidic liquid, formic acid. The skin, the effect of acid can be neutralized by rubbing most baking soda or calamine solution, which contains the sodium carbonate. Citric acid makes the lemon sour. सिट्रिक एसिड से लेमन क्या हो जाता है, सोर हो जाता है. या इट इज वेरी गुड एंटीऑक्सीडेंट and therefore helps in improving the health of our skin. It helps in quick healing. It helps in quick healing. Tartaric acid is present in grapes. Grapes जो होते हैं उसमें कौन सा एसिड होता है, tartaric acid. ये 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आता है, आपको अच्छी तरह पता होना चाहिए. जो लेमन होता है उसमें सिट्रिक एसिड होता है, बी स्टिंग के अंदर फॉर्मिक एसिड, और ग्रेप्स में टार्टरिक एसिड, और मिल्क में लैक्टिक एसिड. लैक्टिक एसिड इज ए कंसिक्वेंट ऑफ द सोर मिल्क एंड योगर्ट. It is also formed in a muscle during exercise. It is also formed in muscle during exercise. It is responsible for the tiredness and muscle pain. कई बार क्या होता है कि हम बहुत ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज वगैरह करते हैं तो हमारे लेग्स एंड आर्म्स में पेन होने लग जाता है, which is due to extra deposition of lactic acid where the anaerobic respiration takes place. Acetic acid is used as a preservative. जो विनेगर होता है वो क्या होता है, एसिटिक एसिड, और जो हमारे अचार वगैरह में डालते हैं वो प्रिजर्वेटिव की फॉर्म. इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड इथेनोइक एसिड. कार्बोनिक एसिड इज यूजुअली प्रेजेंट इन फिजी ड्रिंक्स. जो हमारी कोल्ड ड्रिंक होती है उनमें कौन सा एसिड होता है, कार्बोनिक एसिड. ये भी पॉइंट आपने सारे मैंने कंक्लूड करके लिखे हैं, इनको अच्छी तरह नोट करेंगे और लर्न करेंगे. एसिड रेन इज द रेन और एनी अदर फॉर्म ऑफ द प्रिसिपिटेशन दैट इज यूजुअली एसिडिक. जो रेन आती है उसमें भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड डिसॉल्व हो जाती है और कार्बोनिक एसिड मिलने से वो एसिडिक हो जाती है. इट कैन हैव अ हार्मफुल इफेक्ट ऑन प्लांट्स, एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यूजुअली मेड ऑफ मार्बल. जैसे वो ताजमहल मार्बल का बना होना है, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट पे एसिड रिएक्ट करेगा तो वो उसका ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा. ये रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड्स, रिएक्शन विद मेटल. द रिएक्शन बिटवीन द मेटल एंड एसिड प्रोड्यूस साल्ट एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस. acid plus metal is equal to salt plus hydrogen. A lighted splint is used to test for the presence of hydrogen gas. Extra, you see the split and gives the pop sound. Hydrogen gas जब burn होती है तो वो pop sound produce करती है. Reaction with carbonates. Acid react with carbonate compound to produce salt, carbon dioxide and water. Acid plus carbonate, salt, carbon dioxide and water. Lime water is used to test the presence of carbon dioxide gas. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को प्रेजेंस को चेक करने के लिए हम लाइम वाटर डालते हैं जो कि कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट बनाते हैं. द लाइम वाटर टर्न मिल्की when carbon dioxide is bubbled into it. Reaction with alkali. Here I want to tell you what are alkali. Base which are soluble in water are called alkali. Base which are soluble in water are called alkali. Acid react with alkali to produce salt and water only. Reaction between acid and alkali is called neutralization reaction. Acid plus alkali is equal to salt plus water. Universal indicator can be used to show that solution has become neutral after the reaction. It gives a pale green color in the neutral solution. It gives pale green color in the neutral solution. After that neutralization reaction, this also I have tell you in the types of reaction. The reaction between acid and base, the reaction between acid and base which form the salt and water is called neutralization reaction. For example, hydrogen chloride plus sodium hydroxide, it forms water plus NaOH salt. This is the double displacement reaction. All the content have exchanged their positions. Reaction with base. The reaction between the metal and base produce salt and hydrogen gas. Base plus metal, salt plus hydrogen. Reaction with non-metallic oxide. Here I want to tell you the metallic oxides are basic in nature. These are the concepts. Metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Non-metallic oxides are acidic in reaction. Reaction with non-metallic oxide, acid react with non-metallic oxide to produce salt and water. Acid plus carbonate is equal to salt plus water. Copper oxide plus HCl, cuprous chloride plus H2O. Reaction with alkali. Acid react with alkali to produce salt and water only. Reaction between acid and alkali is called neutralization reaction. Acid plus base is equal to salt plus water. Here, what is the universal indicator can be used to show that the solution has become neutral after the reaction. It gives a pale green color in the neutral solution. It gives pale green color. All the metal do not react with the base to form the salt and hydrogen. सभी जो भी मेटल्स हैं वो बेस के साथ रिएक्शन करके साल्ट और हाइड्रोजन नहीं बनाती. यहाँ पे मैंने रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज शो की है. इसके लिए आप एक प्रोवर्ब भी याद कर सकते हैं. केदारनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीके पकाता है, आगे आओ. केदारनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीके पकाता है, आगे आओ. तो केदार के से पोटासियम, नाम के Na से सोडियम, का से कैल्शियम, माली M से मैग्नीशियम, आलू से एल्युमिनियम, जरा जिंक एंड क्रोमियम, फीके से Fe, निकल स्टेनलेस लेड पकाता है प्लम्बस कॉपर, H से मरकरी, आगे का सिल्वर Ag, प्लेटिनम Au, Au गोल्ड. This is the reactivity series. Here the metals sodium and potassium react violently with cold water. Cold water के साथ ये बहुत ही जल्दी रिएक्ट करते हैं. It may sometime burn, it may create fire. और एक और यहाँ पे ध्यान रखेंगे, ये रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज आगे हम मेटल और नॉन मेटल में भी काम आएगी. React slowly with the cold water and the magnesium, aluminum, zinc and chromium react slowly with the steam but quite rapidly in the higher hydrogen ion concentration. React in moderately high hydrogen ion concentration. Copper, mercury, silver, platinum do not react with hydrogen. Weak base are ammonia, potassium carbonate, sodium carbonate and organic amines. Strong base are the sodium hydroxide, sodium phosphate, barium hydroxide and the calcium hydroxide, etc. These are the, yes, I am telling you about all the metals do not react with the base to form the salt and hydrogen gas. This depends on the reactivity of the metals. This depends on the reactivity of the metals. Then I am telling you again about the acid and their usage. H2SO4 used in car batteries. Here I am telling you one usage. You can learn more usage from the books also. You have to read your NCERT book also. H2SO4 used in car batteries. HCl remove rust from iron and steel. Acetic acid used in vinegar to preserve food. जो हम अचार वगैरह डालते हैं ना, उसके अंदर जो सिरका होता है वो एसिटिक एसिड होता है, विनेगर. HNO3 यूज्ड इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर. जो फर्टिलाइजर सोडियम यूरिया वगैरह बनाते हैं उसमें HNO3 यूज होता है. नाउ द अल्कलीज. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड न्यूट्रलाइज एक्सेस ऑफ एसिड इन सॉइल. Aluminum hydroxide used in antacid indigestion tablet. Magnesium hydroxide also used in antacid and toothpaste. Sodium hydroxide used in making soap and detergent. Now we have to understand about the some salt. In the next part of the chapter we have to study the salt. Ammonium chloride in torch batteries. Ammonium nitrate in fertilizer. Calcium chloride in drying agent. Iron sulfate in iron tablets. Iron sulfate in iron tablets. Magnesium sulfate in medicine, and silver bromide in photography. Sodium chloride making sodium hydroxide. Sodium chloride we have to use in making sodium hydroxide. Then you can acid, base and salt reaction with acid and base. Metals react with acid, form salt and hydrogen. For example, zinc plus H2SO4, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Base also react with the metal plus base is equal to salt. So zinc plus sodium, that is form the sodium zincate. That form the sodium zincate. Then carbonates. Then you have to study about the carbonates. That is the metal carbonate plus acid, salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Sodium carbonate plus HCl, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Metal bicarbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate या acid, salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Sodium bicarbonate plus acid, HCl form the sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Metal oxide plus acid, salt and water. Copper oxide plus HCl, cuprous chloride plus H2O. Acid plus base, that is neutralization reaction. HCl plus NaOH, sodium chloride plus water. Base plus acid, salt plus water. Sodium hydroxide plus HCl, sodium chloride plus H2O. Non-metal oxide plus base is equal to salt plus water. Copper oxide plus HCl, cuprous chloride plus water. Cuprous chloride plus water. These are the some usage and the reactions of the acid, base and salt. This you have to learn.